Where's the sun? Where did it go? It looks like fog. That's why I'm wearing a long sleeve shirt again. It's not warm. And it's about summertime. So this video will look gray. It's not going to have much color, but the trees are green and I am blue on an Adventure 2 Cannondale bike. Would it make sense for me to shoot in HEVC 10-bit color? Or simply keep to the H2 64? Hey, Mic 2, prompt, pop-up, I know you're on. Get out of here. Filmora 13 is gonna struggle if I use it. And my laptop's gonna struggle if I use it. It's like a combination of issues. It's like, do I go buy a new machine that could do 14-bit color because 12-bit color's coming? Oh man, how am I going to get in here? They didn't leave me enough room. Problem with this is my handlebars. I need to cut them down some, but I don't want to cut these handlebars down. I want to cut the new one I'm going to buy down. I hit selfie face track and I got the 3-4 modes on. I'm gonna have to do that again. Take my glasses off. The number one of the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 that nobody out there is talking about. And as far as I go, this is as far as I'm gonna get with the camera. If I go any further, it won't follow. And that is on back facing where the screen is at. And I am 6 o'clock position, so you can only go as far as 8 o'clock. So if you want to shoot video, you're going to have to be more over here on the side. Don't bother to look at the screen. Put your camera to the side over here. So this way, if you want to do some walking around, you don't stop here, you just continue over here, your 180-degree walk. And the same thing happens with, hey, everybody, I'm going to frame you over here in the front shot, over here in the front. You don't see the screen. You can only go as far as, the same distance. So you got a lot of loss. And you're not going to see me when I do one of these, walking around the camera. I have to come all the way around. Hey, I'm over here, right here. Pick me up. I'm over here. You see me? Come on, follow. They don't follow. Why? I'm not going to go in the back of the camera and fix it. Perfect camera? It is not. Oh, the seats are wet. What am I going to do? I can't sit. But I totally agree. They gave you the answer. And that's the answer you're going to get. Because the question is, you're not going to see a fix to that. The Pocket 3 can only go so much with the cable that's in there. There's no modifications of fixing it. I'm going to head on out. I'm a little early. Not early to the sprinkler system. But I'm going to ride around. Go dunk your camera in the water. We're heading to go get 18 bagels for the price of 12. I think I'm getting everything. Cinnamon raisin and pumpernickel. Taking a different street. Yeah. And this way it'd be a little less quieter. And I can say what I want to say to you. I say to everybody else. Are you happy with your Pocket 3? Would you get a Pocket 4 if it's coming out in the next couple of months and you just got a Pocket 3? Oh yeah, we know you're going to try to sell it to go get it. Picking the garbage. For recyclables. Oh yeah, man. Nobody's going to throw food out. I'm a little too early. They don't have any bagels out. They got maybe 2 flavors. I'm not going to get what I want. I think I'm going to have to just sit here, chat a little longer. Well, I went to the bagel store. Guy don't listen to what I have to say. He just gives me what he has. They only had 3 bagels. I didn't ask for plain. He gave me plain. Oh, that light was red, and he went right through it, just like I did, man. Is it still red? It sure is. Well, you know, I got enough footage so I could edit stuff and enjoy the rest of my day. Get a nice big cup of joe, sit back with the plain bagel. I'm gonna answer Filmora Wondershare's email again. And I explained myself 20 times. Stickers. Where is the free? What did you do with the free? They don't want to answer. Oh, you can make this purchase. You can do this. You can do that. Finally, they started to answer. Well, I do have to answer a lot of emails. Take care of business and do things. And on that note, I'm getting on out of here. All shot on a DJI Osmo Pocket 3 on Pro, whatever settings I set it to, with the DJI mic 2 at the start without the artificial noise canceling that I love to keep it on to take away all the noise. I am Fish, and have a great day. Look at all these flies here. I'm gonna zap him with the zapper.